Welcome once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to Cosmic Theater. I'm your host, Dr. Franklin Ruehl. Now, the 1954 sci-fi flick, Catwoman of the Moon, with scenes intercut from its remake, Missile to the Moon, from 1959. Now, roll tape.
In today's entry, the 1954 sci-fi flick, Catwoman of the Moon, starring Marie Windsor, Sonny Tufts, and Victor Joy. This was actually remade in 1959 as Missile to the Moon, a movie we've shown you before, starring Richard Travis and Nina Barra. Now, please watch for the differences between the two films as a team of astronauts from Earth lands on our lunar neighbor, on the moon. Roll! Let me figure that out. I'll tell you something.
This is Catwoman of the Moon again. That's Marie Windsor. Here's Missile to the Moon. Only one spider. Catwoman of the Moon.
May not one of us ask anything? Well, I still can't be sure whether you're speaking my language or I yours. We need no language, Helen. We can project our thoughts long distances, as you well know. Someday we will teach you. In the meantime, we will speak your tongue, just as we speak all of us tongues.
Remember that our generation predates yours by centuries.
Yes. What you taught me about celestial navigation made me look like quite a genius. But why me, Alpha, and not the others?
We have no use for men.
That's the right attitude.
What Baker means is that we have no contact or control over them, as we do among ourselves. It seemed rather difficult to get a crew entirely composed of women. We decided to concentrate on you. With your wisdom, how is it you never came to us on Earth? Our ancestors made one fatal error, Helen. When they discovered that the atmosphere around us was beginning to disappear, they decided to conserve oxygen. You know what that meant? Maximum energy reduction. Planned genocide to reduce population. Then, when we discovered we were only postponing the inevitable. I love Doug, and you must take him.
Slips, my dear?
Yes. It just so happens you can't leave without us, and I won't tell you why. Glenda, you will tell me why. You think you can force me? My will is just as strong as yours.
A mere slap. Alpha in the remake was much more treacherous. She could give you lessons.
And now we have no
You
time
should still
for it.
see Alpha in the remake.
Again, you defy me, Alpha. You know the law here. The will of the leader must be obeyed. I beg your indulgence, my leader. I was, merely trying to obtain certain information from the man called Baker. Information which would, help us in our plan. You add lying to your other crimes. You desire Baker for yourself. That is not to be. I, the leader, decree it.
That's what I call a villain.
What do you decree now, my leader? The leader has met with an unfortunate accident.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, if we wait for me here, I'll get another suit and join. It's a trap. Come on.
Cat women of the moon
I won't
again.
let you go. Helen, look at me. My will is as strong as theirs. They'll kill you as they killed wolves. Stay here. You will come with us. Don't listen. Stand firm.
Sergeant, the captain are dead. They didn't want to kill him. All right. They showed him dying. In the remake, they showed him getting killed. And the clip. They see him getting killed.
You
Missile to the moon again.
And it will be your hand that destroys the earth people. I command you. Release the gas. Now, hold the lever. I said pull the lever!
Pull it!
Don't move. All of our atmosphere will be released. You'll kill us all! Please. Just give me away.
No!
Now that's what we wanted to see, the destruction of the camp women. Not being told that they were shot to death. Now, as you can see in the comparison of the two movies, even though both were low budget, the Missile to the Moon, I thought, was far superior, having those rock creatures and better acting overall. So on the Ruehl scale, where first magnitude is best, 10th magnitude is worst, from 1954, Catwoman on the Moon garners an intermediate 6.25 rating. You might recall that I gave Missile to the Moon a 4.75 rating. That wasn't the greatest sci-fi film made, but I was especially impressed with the rock people and the villainous Alpha, who was portrayed by Nina Barrett. Now, both movies are on the tube every once in a while. Used to be on more often, but if you happen to see either of them, take them and watch them the next night with popcorn.
Now, until next time, may the power of the cosmos be with you. Yes, yes, yes.